All right, let's go over a couple of beautiful, beautiful couplers in the drainage world, and we're going to show you how to use them. How do you connect PVC pipe to corrugated? Well, we make it simpler, easier, and so much better as far as a connection than any of the other alternatives. Okay, so we have a 4x4 coupler. Smooth on one side. We call it the cone. See how it grabs the corrugated pipe and then it kind of hooks? So I'll show you a perfect example. So here we have that coupler, aka the cone as the guys call it. 4" by 4" smooth wall. It goes inside a pop-up emitter. And what I like about this, it fits in the corrugated really nice. Now, sometimes the lawnmower messes up, a pop-up cover. Things do happen. Sometimes you might need to take this apart. So if there's just a ton of shingle gravel and debris, you didn't use a D-box, you're going to want this part because it actually comes off and you could easily clean it out, put it back. All right, so let's move on. Okay, how do you connect PVC Schedule 40 to corrugated? We got the answer. Now, you're going to want this to be a forever connection. PVC to corrugated usually is. So we have barbs. This is not coming apart, okay? So there's a step here. You can see this is broader right here. It's a lot broader. Why is this broader? Well, it's also made for thin wall PVC. The storm and sewer, the Schedule 35. So take a look at that. That is up inside the one that's not as wide of a diameter. The wider diameter over here, it's not in. That's for PVC Schedule 40 4". The thin wall, that's in this one right here. So this will fit anything PVC 4", whether it's Schedule 40 or Schedule 35 SDR pipe. So this is a forever, this is different, guys. So when you snap this in, it's not coming apart, guys. You're cutting that out. So that is a really, really good connection. So these are our two go-to couplers when we're connecting PVC fittings like the pop-up emitter. Connecting that to corrugated, we want to use the cone because we want to be able to take that apart. If it's anything you ever want to take apart again, you want the cone. Now, the cone works best in the way that I showed you, in a pop-up emitter like that, in a fitting like that. I love this barbed fitting for connecting PVC Schedule 40 pipe to corrugated. This is for 4" PVC to 4" corrugated. It ain't coming apart. It's not happening. It's a forever connection, guys, and you got to cut it off to get it off. All right, everybody. Hope this helped you out. We'll put some stuff in the description, some pop-up stuff so you can find your way to these fittings. And until the next video.